Hosta Patriot has to be one of the all-time great hosta introductions. Certainly it is ranking amongst the most popular of all of the hosta varieties, and there are lots of those, to ever be introduced. It's just quite simply a fantastic variety. We're very fond of it here, and the reason we like it is that we love these fresh green leaves, and in particular this lovely crisp white edge that it has to the edges of the leaves. Really, when you put it into a landscape, you will see this plant stands out to make a magnificent contribution to the scene. Individually, the plants will get to about 20 inches high, and they'll spread out to make a clump of about 2.5 to 3 foot or so wide. A great plant to grow in beds and borders as a single specimen. A lovely plant to put into pots and containers, but it's probably at its most effective if you're able to group it with other hostas, kind of like here, and also put down in groups of say 3s, 5s, 7s and so on. That way you get a very nice natural effect, and obviously contrasting colors and shapes and textures with our other hostas and other plants. Now the neat thing about it is that it grows preferably in its best, I suppose, in a partly shaded situation. But it will grow in deeper shade too, and believe it or not, it's also got really good sun tolerance. So that if you want to grow it in a sunnier location, you'll find that it stands up very well there too. Found as a seedling at the Overdevest Nurseries in Virginia by John Mahan in 1992, and has won numerous awards, including the Hosta Growers of the Year Award in 1997, given an Award of Merit by the Royal Horticultural Society in 2012, and as you see here, it's also been chosen as a certified plant within the Handpicked for You program, which means that shows that it's a superior variety for growing right here in this region. So all in all, a really excellent plant that I think if you're not growing it already, you're certainly going to enjoy growing. This is Hosta Patriot.